If you're struggling with stubborn belly fat, cravings, insulin resistance, or weight loss that just won't budge, there's a supplement that's getting a massive amount of attention right now. And that supplement is Berberine. In fact, many people are calling it nature's Ozempic, the belly buster, exercise in a bottle, fasting in a bottle. There's all these names for it. But here's the problem. Most people aren't using Berberine correctly. They're using it completely wrong. They're taking the wrong dose, taking it at the wrong time, combining it with the wrong foods, and then wondering why they're not seeing results. So in this video, I'm going to give you the full expert guide on exactly how to use Berberine for fast weight loss, including what Berberine actually does in your body, how it helps burn fat, the best times to take it, the right dosage, the common mistakes to avoid, and how to combine it with fasting for even better results. But before we get started, I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski, and thanks for hanging out with me in today's video. If you're passionate about transforming your health naturally, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification, because I am constantly putting out new videos that will help you optimize your health, and the best part, help you optimize your health naturally. So let's dive in. What is Berberine? You know, so often when I talk to people clinically, I will suggest things like Berberine and they're afraid to take it. Well, here's the thing, is that Berberine is a natural compound. It's found in several herbs, including barberry, golden seal, Oregon grapefruit. And while it's been used in traditional medicine for centuries, modern research is now showing us that Berberine may have a powerful effect on your blood sugar, your insulin resistance issues, your metabolism, cravings, belly fat, cholesterol, and even the inflammation that's slowing you down every day. And the reason this matters for weight loss is because most people don't actually have a calorie problem. They have a blood sugar and insulin problem. So it's very natural. Though many people will quickly take medication without question, they tend to get a little bit afraid of the natural stuff, but the natural stuff is going to be very safe and very effective. So here's why Berberine can actually help you lose weight. Let me explain. It's not magic. If insulin levels stay elevated all day long, your body will have a very difficult time burning the stored fat. That stored fat that's on your arms, it's on your belly. And this insulin is essentially a fat storage hormone. So when insulin is chronically high because of constant snacking, processed food intake, high sugar diet, poor sleep, stress, and insulin resistance, your body stays stuck in that fat storage mode. And this is why so many people all day long will have carb cravings. You'll find that you have the feeling of hunger all day. You'll gain a lot of belly fat. You'll be like that type of person who says, I eat anything and I gain weight. And you'll also struggle with energy crashes, and you can't seem to lose weight no matter what you try. Now, here's where Berberine actually comes in, because Berberine will actually improve insulin sensitivity, and that means that your cells will respond to insulin better. Your blood sugar will become far more stable, and your body can finally access that stored fat for energy. And this is one of the main reasons people will notice that when they start utilizing Berberine, they have reduced cravings, they have lesser of an appetite, they have better energy, and also accelerated fat loss. So now, with that said, let's get a little bit deeper, because as I said, Berberine is not magic. It is scientifically proven to offer you these benefits. So here's how it does it. Berberine activates something in your body called AMPK. AMPK is often referred to as the metabolic master switch. And when AMPK is flipped on, it's activated, your body shifts into more of a fat burning, energy producing state. And some other things that activate this in your body would be things such as exercise. Fasting activates AMPK, and also the Berberine activates AMPK too. This is one reason that Berberine pairs incredibly well with intermittent fasting or exercise. Together, they create a powerful metabolic environment for fat burning. So now let's talk practical application. How can you start using this in order to improve your health today? Lower your cholesterol, start losing weight, and really improve your metabolism. Step one is you're going to want to actually start utilizing Berberine over the course of several days, gradually increasing it, right? So you start small and then you slowly increase. Typically, what you're going to find is about 500 milligrams 2 to 3 times a day with your meals. And this is one of the most common dosing strategies used in research. Now remember, Berberine has a relatively short half-life, which is why splitting the doses throughout the day tends to work better than taking just one big massive dose. Now, here's the best time to take berberine. The best time to take berberine is usually about 15 to 30 minutes before your meals or with a meal, especially meals that are higher in carbohydrates. Why? Because berberine helps reduce blood sugar spikes and improves insulin response after eating. This can dramatically reduce cravings, energy crashes, fat storage, and even hunger later on in the day. Now, as I mentioned before, there's a couple things we're going to get a little bit deeper into. First of all, the dosing of berberine and how you effectively dose it, which I lightly highlighted already, but also how you can use berberine with different lifestyle factors such as intermittent fasting. Now, when you combine berberine and intermittent fasting, you really get a powerful fat loss tool. Now, if you really want to accelerate your results, combine berberine with 16-8 intermittent fasting. It's extremely effective because fasting lowers insulin, berberine improves insulin sensitivity, and they'll work synergistically together. So as I mentioned, one of the easiest ways to really approach this is start with 16-8 intermittent fasting. You could even do things like a 24-hour fast as well throughout the week in order to continue to make your body more insulin sensitive. Now, a few other things that will help this process along will be eating a higher protein intake, lowering your processed carbohydrates, even going sugar-free, and then really focusing on eating a whole food diet. This combination alone gets dramatic metabolic improvements. Now, let's talk about some of the biggest mistakes that most of you make when you take berberine. I hear all the time, I take berberine and it doesn't work. I tried that, but it just didn't work for me. Okay, let's talk about the mistakes because these are the problems you're having. The first is that you're taking it while eating junk food. Berberine is not a magic pill. You can't out-supplement your garbage diet. You can't out-supplement the ultra-processed foods, the constant sugar intake, the soda, the excessive alcohol intake, your fast food addiction. Berberine works best when paired with a healthy lifestyle. So don't try to live in a very unhealthy way and then out-supplement your unhealthy lifestyle. It just doesn't work, okay? Mistake number 2 is expecting overnight results. Some people notice quick changes, but others, because they're going through a metabolic healing process, will take a little bit longer, especially if you have insulin resistance, fatty liver, if you're obese, or even have metabolic syndrome, okay? The consistency matters. I always say that you should at least give this 3 months of consistency in order to actually get results, right? It's not an overnight success story. It's not some of that junk out there where it's like 30 days and 30 pounds. That stuff is nonsense. It doesn't work. And any of these different medications that people are using in order to lose weight really quick, it is statistically proven that they're gaining all the weight back in the course of a year. And this means that they have to be on it forever because they're never fixing the real problem. They're never getting to the root cause of why you gained all the weight in the first place. You're never actually healing the metabolic insulin blood sugar interaction in the body. So that is what we're doing here when we talk about this topic, is we're looking at healing the body from within and fixing the core problem. Okay, mistake number 3. This is a big one. I want you to pay close attention to this one because this is where a lot of people fall apart. Taking junk berberine and dosing it incorrectly. Here's what I mean by this. As I mentioned earlier, the dosing strategy that will typically work best, that is standard and effective, is about 500 milligrams 2 to 3 times spread out throughout the day. But here's the problem I find clinically is that often, when you're taking these higher doses, they can cause a lot of gastrointestinal irritation. So to combat that, what we use is something called Berberine ER. It's a specialized form of easily and highly absorbable berberine that offers you better results in smaller doses because it's highly bioavailable. The thing is that you have to realize is that berberine is hard for your digestion to actually utilize and absorb. So what we use is a highly bioavailable form. And think of it like this. It's less than half the dose of berberine that you can take with this Berberine ER with more benefit. So therefore, you're less likely to have any negative side effects with it, and you're likely to get better results. So you would just take 1 to 3 capsules throughout the day. Instead of taking like 3 capsules of 500 milligrams, you'd be taking 3 capsules of just 200 milligrams of the Berberine ER, and it's more effective at a lower dose because it's a specialized form of dihydroberberine that actually is far more bioavailable. So I'll put a link in the description below to this berberine. Now, when we talked about taking the berberine, I said don't take it all at once. And the reason for this is because berberine has a relatively short half-life, and it has a relatively short active window in which it actually performs in the body. So taking one big dose in the morning is not nearly as effective as taking, let's say, a capsule before breakfast, a capsule before lunch, and a capsule before dinner, okay? Now, another thing that I mentioned earlier is that when you're taking berberine, it's important to take high quality berberine. There was a study where they looked at all the different berberines on the market, and they found that over 50% of the berberines on the market had less than 10% of the berberine within it that it actually had on the label. Okay, so imagine you're like, hey, I'm trying to lose weight, I'm trying to solve this fatty liver and this high cholesterol and this blood sugar issue. Let me take berberine. It does nothing for you. And a lot of times it's doing nothing for you because it's a junk berberine. The supplement market on the internet is full of absolute junk. And this is how you end up with a study that's showing over 50% of the berberines on the market had less than 10% berberine. So when I make recommendations such as using the berberine ER, it's because it's clinically proven. It's something that actually comes directly from my clinic. I know it works. I use it every day, and I know it's super, super high quality. So link in the description below to the berberine ER. Now, another big mistake many of you are making is not combining the berberine with the proper lifestyle changes. People who get the best results utilizing berberine are people who are walking regularly, they're doing resistance training, they're optimizing their sleep, they are focusing on reducing stress, intermittent fasting, and also eating a whole food diet, okay? These are all things that matter because this is not only how you get results now, but this is how you heal your body, and this is how you maintain results for a lifetime, okay? I know that most people are addicted to cheap and quick health fixes. Cheap and quick health fixes do not work. They work for a short period of time, and then, of course, everything comes back. And this is why everybody who's doing the GLP-1s is gaining all the weight back and not getting any results long term, okay? And that is statistically proven. So what results can you expect from utilizing berberine? Now, everybody's different, but many people will report within just 2 short weeks that they have reduced cravings, and this is typically just within days, better blood sugar stability, improved energy, reduced bloating, and weight loss within just about 2 to 3 weeks. And then, of course, the loss of belly fat, better appetite control, and clinically, most people notice significant improvements in their triglycerides, their cholesterol, their fasting blood sugar, their A1C, and also their fatty liver markers. Once again, this is not magic. It does take time. As I said from the beginning, you should be willing to give this at least 3 months of good effort. And remember that based off your current state of health, this can take longer, and it can even happen in shorter periods of time. Imagine if you approach this topic utilizing the strategies I'm talking about today, and you are obese, you have fatty liver, you have high cholesterol, you have insulin resistance, you have high blood sugar, you are going to take longer to get results than the person who comes in and says, all of these things don't exist in my body. However, I'm just looking to lose a couple pounds, okay? So this person who is just looking to lose a couple pounds but is healthy is going to get much quicker results than the person who is struggling with a lot of health issues, okay? Now, my favorite strategy for weight loss, and personally this is just one of my favorite approaches for accelerated fat loss across the board, is going to be intermittent fasting, utilizing this berberine ER, and taking it 1 to 3 times throughout the day before meals, following a high protein diet, strength training, walking daily. If you just do a 30-minute walk after a meal, it will reduce your blood sugar spikes by 50%, okay? So walking daily, and then, of course, lowering processed carbohydrates. Lower your processed carbohydrates. Just focus on whole foods. Everybody gets very caught up in what is the best diet. Look, meat, vegetables, and fruit. Eat those 3 things, and your life will change dramatically, okay? Don't get all caught up in all the fancy nuances. Just literally focus on meat, fruit, and vegetables, and you'll get to your results far faster than you ever dreamed. When you combine all of these together, you create a metabolic environment where your body becomes extremely efficient at burning fat. And honestly, most people don't need extreme diets. They need metabolic flexibility. They need stable insulin, and they need a lot of consistency. And if you do all this, you will get tremendous results. I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and if you want to learn more on this topic, watch this video right here.